this YouTube video, I will be talking about my experience with the Esim.me card. Today is November 8, 2024. I ordered an Esim.me card last month, at the end of last month. It took them about a week to deliver. And when I received the card, I was supposed to register it. Okay, I've already downloaded the app, Esim.me app. I insert the card in the phone, and I was supposed to register before. It's a process to activate the card before the card can be activated. And during the registration process, I think I was not supposed to leave the app. Okay, I don't know if it has something to do with my phone or what, but that's what happened to me. So every time I was leaving the card, the app to go get the code that was sent to my email address and come back, I was unable to proceed from that stage. So I decided to get the code from a different phone, okay, through the email but from a different phone, and it worked. I moved past beyond the registration process, and I was able to see the plus sign where I can actually download an eSIM profile. To download an eSIM profile is very simple, and I input my activation code. You can scan your QR code if you want. So it worked. It has been working for about 2 days now, 3 days. It's working fine. Okay, before I purchased the card, I was not quite sure that it will work for me, but I have a Oukitel phone, and it's worked. So I hope it will also work for you. If you do everything right, it should work. When my registration process was not moving on, I thought the card was damaged, but it's not. It wasn't. So it was just maybe my phone or the app work like that. I don't know, but that's the only problem that I was faced with since starting to use the eSIM.me card. It's actually working. I wasn't paid for to make this video. I made it because I was in doubt before purchasing it, and I purchased it. I'm using it. It's working beyond my expectation. That's why I made this video. Thank you. Please subscribe.